Hi, I'm Susan, and welcome to Being Mindful. Today's meditation is a short one. We are going to use this time to ground ourselves. So this might be a good one to use if you are just feeling like everything is swirling around you and you need to just be present. So let's get started. And I'll invite you, as usual, to move in some way, sort of settle into your meditation position. If you're comfortable closing your eyes, I invite you to do that. That can be especially helpful if you're trying to block out some of what's happening around you, but it's also just fine to have your eyes open, but just the eyes sort of downcast and lightly focused. And we begin by just noticing that we are supported by the ground. We notice the sensation of the feet against the floor. We allow the breath to flow as it does. We don't even need to pay attention to it necessarily, but know that it is feeding us oxygen in these moments. And really feel the contact with the ground. The attention goes from whatever might be swirling in the mind to the feet. How the feet feel in this moment. Where the feet are in contact with the ground. And not just the cognitive sense of the fact that there is ground beneath our feet, but really feeling it with our physical senses. Anchored to this point in space and time. Allowing the rest of the body, our circumstances, our thoughts to fade into the background while we shine a spotlight of focus on our feet, touching the ground. Knowing that anytime things feel like they're out of control, we can take a moment to plant our feet on the ground and feel that contact and support. As we approach the end of the meditation, We can wiggle the toes and feel how that changes our experience of having feet on the ground. And with a nice deep breath, if your eyes have been closed, you can open them and come back to what's happening around you. I hope you found that to be a helpful grounding experience. If this is something that you'd like to be able to revisit and try again, you can click to save the video to a playlist. And so if there are some favorites of yours, you can find them easily that way. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I hope that you'll do that. A like is always a great compliment, and I love to hear your experience through the comments. Thanks so much and have a great day.